Welcome students in another session of chapter 12 Biotechnology and its application. In this video we will discuss about more the applications of biotechnology. Let's begin with the transgenic animals. These are the animals whose genome has been altered by introduction of an extra or the foreign gene by manipulation. Examples here are the transgenic rats, rabbits, pigs, sheep, cows, and even fishes. Over 95% of transgenic animals are mice only. The benefits of transgenic animals are to study the regulation of genes on normal physiology and development, to study the contribution of gene in the development of a disease. Third, for biological products production. Fourth one is for vaccine safety testing. Fifth one is chemical safety testing. Let's discuss in detail one by one all the benefits. The first one is to study regulation of genes on normal physiology and development. Example here, study of a complex factor such as insulin like growth factor. Genes that alter uh, formation of these factors are introduced and the biological effects are studied in the transgenic animals. So this gives us information about the biological role of the factor in human body. The other one is to study the contribution of genes in the development of disease. A transgenic model helped to investigate new treatments for human diseases. Example, transgenic models for many human diseases such as cancer, cyst fibrosis, rheumatoid arthritis, and Alzheimer's. So in this case, many such diseases are studied introducing by the production of transgenic animals. Third one is biological products. A transgenic animals is used to produce biological products by just introducing genes which code for a particular product. Example is human protein, which is used in emphysema, which is alpha-1 antitrypsin. Products for treatment of phenylketonuria and cystic fibrosis. The third application is in biological. The third benefit is for the production of biological products. In 1997, Rosie, which is the first transgenic cow, produced human protein, which is human protein enriched milk, which gives 2.4 gram per liter. It contains human alpha lactalbumin and it is nutritionally more balanced product for human babies than natural cow milk. Fourth one is vaccine safety testing. Transgenic mice are used to test the safety of the polio vaccines or other kind of vaccines as well. If it's reliable, they can replace the use of monkeys to test the safety of vaccine. Chemical safety testing. The fifth benefit. Some transgenic animals carry genes which make them more sensitive to toxin substances than non-transgenic animals. So they are exposed to the toxic substance and the effects are studied. It gives immediate results. That was it about the application of biotechnology in different fields. Now let's discuss the ethical issues related to use of biotechnology. First one is problems of unpredicted results. Genetic modification may cause unpredictable results when such organisms are introduced into the ecosystem. So here comes the uncertainty. Indian government has set up an organization like GEAC, which stands with Genetic Engineering Approval Committee, which make decisions about the validity of genetic modified organisms or genetically modifying researches and the safety of GMO for public services. Next is the biopiracy. It is the use of bioresources by multinational companies and other organizations without the proper authorization from the countries and people concerned. Certain companies got patents for products and technologies that make use of the genetic material, plants, etc., that have been identified, developed, and used by farmers and indigenous people of a country. Examples are basmati rice, herbal medicines like turmeric, neem, etc. Basmati rice has unique aroma and flavor. India has around 27 different varieties of basmati rice. In 1997, an American company they got patent rights on basmati rice through the US Patent and Trademark offices. This allowed the company to sell a new variety of basmati. This was actually derived from Indian farmers' variety. Indian basmati was cross-checked with semi-draft variety and claimed as a novelty. Other people they also sell basmati rice could not restrict it by patent. Most of the industrialized nations are poor in biodiversity and traditional knowledge. The developing and the underdeveloped world have rich biodiversity and traditional knowledge related to bioresources. So one has to be acknowledged with the biodiversity, how the rich country is in terms of biodiversity and should have the knowledge related to its use. It has to develop law to prevent unauthorized exploitation of bioresources and traditional knowledge. Indian Parliament has cleared the second amendment of the Indian Patent Bill that takes such issues into consideration, including patent terms, emergency provisions, and research and the development initiative. Thanks for watching.